Hello and welcome back to the channel. Last time we succeeded in running the code for linear regression and neural networks, and we had issue with the random forest. I made slight changes on it, for example the declaring the path, so I'll make sure to upload the latest content after this lesson. Let's try it one more time to see if the data is being aggregated properly and saved. Run train random forest, and we can see that it started to process and model even is saved. So this will take a little time to process, and as soon as the files are generated for random forest, those are saved in the appropriate folder. Not sure why it's not showing it yet, but once we stop it, those will appear. Meanwhile, we want to just make sure that this is running correctly and files are saved in a proper way too. So we have the random forest file generation ongoing, and meanwhile we want to have our Streamlit application tested. So for that I am going to try to open it on terminal won't work. So yeah, we gotta wait until all the files are generated. So I'll keep this video short, just for you to be aware that random forest is running properly too. And after that, once this is done, I'll start a new recording with the running of the Streamlit main application.